When you contribute to a program like the Walking for Mental Health fundraiser, you're really contributing to helping people like Roger, who are out there demonstrating just how much impact an organization like Waypoint can have on a local community. Really urge you to go and read his story because it's so beautiful. And what you'll see there is about someone who is living a typical life, had a medical emergency that really, turned things upside down. And over multiple years, he's been able to come back and utilize the services at Waypoint, go back into the community, utilize those services, and really put his life back on track. That's the kind of thing that Waypoint does. The changes that have occurred in terms of the way mental health is being reflected in our community today, you can see it in just general conversations on the street. People are starting to appreciate how valuable and a important part of the local community Waypoint is and how it is in fact affecting everyone on a real basis.